Hello friends, running kimono. It is Friday, February the 20th. Happy Friday, guys. We have two clearance freebies over at Walgreens. And I want to give a shout out to Rolling Coupon Moms for the Softsoap deal. The Colgate deal I did hear about, so I tested it and it works beautifully. So at certain stores, certain items are on clearance, including the Colgate toothpaste, and it's part of a promotion to buy two to get back a $4 register reward. Now, these larger ones are 5 ounces each. And if you see the tag, it says to buy two to get back a $4 register reward. And this is the sort of roll the dice thing, but I kind of figured it was going to work. Of course, I had to ask the cashier, like, hey, are these on clearance? And they, in fact, were. And this digital coupon is, in fact, attaching. So I know the Hello is also part of it. The Colgate is part of it. But the Colgate had so much more toothpaste in it that it was a much better deal, like 5 ounce. Oh, pardon me. Lying again. 6 ounce tubes of toothpaste right there. So they're $3.29 on clearance. Two of them is $6.58. Subtracting that 4 off of two digital manufacturer coupon, you're paying $2.58, getting back a $4 register reward. So it makes it a small money maker for you. And as you can see here, guys, I used $2 in Walgreens cash. I paid 97 cents, and then I was awarded that $4 register reward. So it's a terrific deal any way you look at it. And these tubes are massive, so it will last you a really long time. And Optic White is, I think, my husband's favorite toothpaste. Above and beyond all of them, that is his absolute favorite. And then just to show you the register rewards, they did kind of change them around. It's a different font at the top that expires on the 5th of March. So it's a good expiry date. It's a good little register reward to happen on clearance. And I know a lot of stores, it's been clearing out really cheap. It's either $3.49 or $2.99. And so I would definitely Friday or Saturday be on the lookout for this and try and make something happen. My main card, which never, ever, ever gets these register rewards, one printed yesterday, which was crazy. My husband's card, sometimes they print, but my main one, never. So, yeah, I would also keep an eye out for that because it was printing as of yesterday. Now, the Softsoap or the Irish Spring that is 50% off, this is a really great deal because we don't ever get deals for free body wash. So when you can pounce on it, I absolutely would. I live in a smaller market, so we no longer have the liquid Irish Spring, but my friend Rolling Coupon Moms, who lives downstate, her store did. But these are $3.49. We have this 5 off of 2 that is in fact attaching, and because the threshold of this item it's not under $5, this $5 will come off perfectly for you. So grabbing 2 of the soft soaps on clearance, it's $6.98. Subtracting that magic coupon, you're going to pay $1.98. And then the promotion for this is that when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. So it essentially makes it free. And it worked for Rolling Coupon Moms yesterday. I think she bought both the soft soap and Irish Spring, and it just was a beautiful deal. And I unfortunately couldn't do it because I only found one in store, but I'm happy for her because that's a crazy good deal for some cheap body wash. So free body wash, pardon me. So I would try and do both of these deals because there's nothing better than free, and we're always looking for free deals, especially right now. So I would definitely try and make some of this happen, and especially those 6 ounce tubes of toothpaste. I'm so excited. Also, when I was in the store, a lot of the 80% toys still on the shelves. So I don't know if this one location, just couponers are not interested in some of this, but lots of the Bluey toys, fun little journaling things, Hello Kitty and little bibs and bobs. So if you want to get those Easter baskets stocked up, I made a video a couple days back where I showed a bunch of visuals. I will link it at the very end, but these toys are still out there, and if they are not tagged, don't be shy to grab one and ask for a price check because you never know what might be in your store. You never know. And starting next week, which is the 22nd, the 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags are back. They did something with them where they were buy one, get 2 for free for the longest time. Then it was buy one, get one free. And then it was full price for a couple weeks. Back to 88 cents. It's what we like. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.